Hey guys, it's Angela. I set this up to have my son help me make some ornaments, but as 5-year-olds go, he's unreliable. So, therefore I have my husband with me. Say hi, husband.
Hey.
Hi. So, he's gonna help me make some ornaments. So, we're gonna balloon smash some of these and enjoy.
You want to help Mama real quick? Come in here. Here, do you want to hit one of the balloons with this?
Yeah, of course.
Hit that. You gotta hit the socks, okay? Here,
Hit the socks.
the socks.
Hit the socks.
Yep, go
With the paint part, honey.
with the paint.
Go like that.
This pink and nice has
Yeah.
some fruit.
Yeah, here, go like that. Here, do you want a new one?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
And then you can make one, okay?
Okay.
Oh, don't hit the lights, buddy. Okay, ready?
You do this sock right here.
This one's from my
Here.
phone.
Yeah, this one. Try to stay over here, please.
Are you doing it?
Oh, leave it right there, buddy.
I'm just
Charlie.
cheesy.
Okay, it's all set. Ready?
There you
You
go.
gotta use the balloon and paint it, okay?
Yeah.
Go like this, go.
Do that over the whole thing,
Here.
all right?
Go, here.
Here,
Charlie,
here. Hold on. You do it.
here. Charlie does it. Here, try it.
Okay.
Grab the balloon. Paint the sock. Hit it with the paint. Nice job.
Nice job. Here, do I dip into more paint? Dip right here.
Okay.
Dip. And now go back to the sock. Nice job.
Thanks.
How about this paint?
Yeah.
Now dip.
Okay.
Excellent. Nice job.
Thanks.
All right, you want to go play marbles now?
I don't want to.
Oh, okay.
What do you want to play?
I think that's perfect, just the way it is. What do you think? And then we can hang that one up on our tree?
Of course.
Okay. Say bye to the internet. Say bye, internet.
Why are you not- Here.
Say see you later.